Okay, back on Second Life. Let me see if I can fall over to the gallery space. Oops. It's a nice place around here though. I wonder what they're playing.
Mr. Big, give us some justice. We need some justice. So long we all fighting and can get no freedom. Then let all rise out for freedom is what it is saying. Give us some justice. Give us some justice. I don't know why things have got to be this way. Oh Lord, I pray each and every day. I just don't know why things have got to be this way. We keep on calling to thee, Mr. Big. We need some justice. Our all cries out, cries out, cries out for freedom. Oh Lord, we pray to see a better day. We don't know why things have got to be this way. We've got to fight along the way.
Anyway, this is the kind of music they play on this island. I'm gonna mute it a little bit. This is a place I'm building. I designed this door. This whole building. It's gonna take a week or so to build. This stained glass door is kind of nice though. I'm gonna wait for it to load. See, I used the photo, then I edited in Fireworks. Let me see. It's pretty nice and clean. I like it. Since I designed it, I guess I should like it. So when you build in Second Life, you can always build anything you want. So, and here I'm gonna put a lot of my artwork for sale, of course. It's gonna be cool. From room to room. This is my space. I like this room the best. You have this ocean view. Cool. Still a lot of building to go. It'll take a while. My connection is slow here, so it takes me longer than I want it. And there's a little spot on this thing that's not even aligned. Anyway, that's how you edit. Ain't no difference. Yeah, I'll show you a little more later. Let me stop this for now.